Hi, I'm Kevin Crook, General Manager of the GVM Snow Division. I'm here today to show you how easy it is to run our EZ Brine production system and how you can make brine and also recirculate your storage tanks as well as fill all of your trucks that you have. So to start off, we're going to log into the system. You're going to enter in your password to get logged in. The next step we're going to do from the main screen here is going to hit processes. So here's going to bring up your screen that shows all the different options that we can go through. So the first functions that we have would be a recirculate, then we have a loadout and a brine to storage. So the first thing we're going to do is recirculate our storage tanks that already have brine in. You're going to select the thing where it shows minutes. We're going to enter in how many minutes that you want to run your system for. I'd recommend anything 5,000 or above. We're going to run a 45-minute recirculation time. So we're going to just go ahead and hit start. So right here shows your tank speeds. So the next step we're going to take today is to show you guys how to load out to your trucks, whether it be a 200-gallon pre-wet the whole way up to 31, 35 easy load, or just, your fill-in tanks. So we'll go ahead and step you through that. So what we're going to do is hit the loadout button over to your far right side. You will next hit prepare load. Over here you could also add in different recipes and so forth that you could make up, whether it be different things for real cold times or just your own pre-made batches that you choose to do. So next here, you could go into your truck area. This is going to show all of your different truck numbers, which we could program. So we could use, for example, truck number 5 would go here. The truck capacity is going to show how many gallons, and we could go down through up to 100 trucks, adding in different numbers, how many gallons. So at that point you could select which truck you want to go with. We can hit your gallons up here, change how many gallons that you'd like to pump to your truck. We're going to say 500 just to show for an example. So once you punch that, down at the bottom left, it asks you where you would like to pull that from, either the salt bed, which would be your mix tank that you're mixing in, or you can pull from your storage tank. Once you select those, you're going to come to your right where it says load. It's going to come up and ask you, are you sure you want to put X amount of gallons into your truck? Reason for, if you have a truck that comes back that holds 500 gallons, and the truck has 100 gallons already in it when he gets back to fill back up, if he puts all 500 gallons in it, it will overflow. So it is going to ask you, are you sure you want to put that much into your tank? We're going to select yes. Down at your bottom, you're going to see start, pause, cancel. We're going to go ahead and hit start to start the program. The next step in our process will be making brine and send to the storage tank. It's very easy. First step, we're going to make 500. We'll just stick in there to start making brine. You're going to hit enter. Next thing, it will come up to your right. It's going to show load. We'll click that. Hit your start button to start the process. So right here is going to show where you're at, how many gallons it is, your average salinity levels. So as your salinity climbs, we have an anodine light that goes from red, yellow to green. So when it's sitting at red, it's telling you your salinity isn't anywhere close to where it needs to be. Yellow, it's adding less water into your batch as it's processing. Green says you're good to go. It's putting it in the storage tank and everything's running as it should. So we have a valve 1. This is showing your percentage of fresh water that's going in. So as your salt, if the salt tank's too much salinity, it'll start adding fresh water as it's putting it into your storage tank. Okay. So to keep it at your salinity. So if you remember, we're 1% up or below 23.3. So once that thing hits 23.3, it'll open. If it starts dropping back off, it'll stay open as long as it stays within the 1%. So right here it's showing how many gallons it's putting in and what the average salinity is. Pretty easy. Then you can see your percentage of your tank starts to drop. See right here is that load status button, so you can see it that way too.
Okay.
So it's estimated time 4 minutes and 40 seconds to do 500 gallons is what it's saying. So
that's not bad.
see how the valve changed at 16, 17? It's because the brine's too high. Salinity, so it's adding the fresh water straight in to the line that's going to the storage tank. So our average is 2410 right now. So that's why this is open so high. It's trying to delete it more.
Yeah.
So that concludes our demonstration today of our EZ Brine. If you have any other further information that you would need, give us a call 1-800-458-5123 and we can answer any questions you need. Thank you.